Hi, this is Isa. One weekend, naisipan ko magpablasyon and I decided to stay at Labdi, Makati. The reception area is located on the second level and mabilis yung check-in, very smooth. So dito sa lift, you need to tap your key card para ma-press mo yung desired floor. And then ako, yung room ko was located sa 11th floor. So tara, let's do a quick room tour. So here's the room. Maliit lang yung room actually. So, first is ito yung bathroom. Meron siyang full-sized mirror. Full-sized mirror ba tawag doon? So, ito yung shower area. And meron naman siyang lagayan dyan ng mga essentials mo. And also, they have this. Hindi ko alam kung bakit dalawa yung mugs. I think yung room kasi is good for two. So, they have tea, coffee, brown and white sugar, kettle, and meron silang fridge. Ayan, kung gusto mo mag-stock ng food. Tada! Walang laman. Meron din silang safety box and Bible. Nakakatuwa. And hair dryer. So, ito yung bed. O, diba? Ang cute. Para kang nasa stage. So, this is a queen-sized bed, I think. Nakuha ko tong room ng 1.3, mahigit. Ang wala lang sila dito is yung dental kit or hygiene kit, like free toothbrush and toothpaste, ganun. Unlike sa other hotels. This is the view outside. Itong second level nila aside sa reception, nandito rin yung co-working space nila and games area. So, pag-araw marami talaga ditong mga nakatambay na mga foreigners nagwo-work. I think maybe mga businessman, ganun. So, nandito rin yung coffee shop. So, one morning, like mga 6 a.m. Ang aga kong bumaba kasi I was craving for coffee pero closed sila. Pero tumambay na rin muna ako dito since wala namang tao. So, ayan. Ito naman si Kuya Storbo. Nagbablog ako eh. Dito sa 13th floor, ito naman yung kanilang bar and resto. So, tinry ko din dito magpunta. Kaso lagi akong maaga pumupunta para wala masyadong tao. Introvert yan. So, ayan. Ito yung gaming area nila. Nasa second floor din po ito. So, ayan. Free naman dyan. So, hanggat walang tao, pwede kang maglaro. Ang palipas oras, kumbaga. Tapos, sa tabi nito, I discovered na rin silang chill out time na room. So, I think goods to kasi, kunyari, yung flight mo, 5 pa or gabi pa, pwede ka magstay dito kasi mag-check out ka na ng 12 noon, diba? So, ayan. Hindi ako pumasok sa loob kasi may mga natutulog na foreigners doon. So, ito yung Skype booth nila. Ayan. So, may TV din doon if you want. Kapag nandito kayo sa poblasyon and gusto niyo ng authentic Indian food, so, pwede nyo i-try itong Royal Indian Curry House. So, ito yung sample ng mga menus nila. It looks expensive. For me expensive na yung 400 plus. Pero po, marami ang serving nila. Good for two na yan. So, sa 5th floor nito, meron silang bar. Ito yung Rich Lounge nila. So, ayan. Tinry ko lang din yung bar. Pero hindi naman ako uminom. I don't drink, I don't smoke. But, for the experience, ngayong gabi, try ko ang shisha. Yeah. And I coughed many times bago ko to na-achieve. Ayan. For the experience. Thank you so much for watching.